Guys, ayijajani, ayibuzani, we carry on where we left off, okay? Hey everybody.
Messages. I did also give myself time to go through the messages. And all I want to say to you is thank you. Thank you for all the messages you've sent to me, whether good, whether bad, or in between. They come from your heart. Those messages come from your heart to mine. Thank you. To those that sent messages and felt that I needed assistance in this season, and maybe they wanted to help me take a sip from my own cup, I want to just remind you that this is my cup. This is my cup. Allow me to drink it so I don't take away God's glory. Because at the end of the day, I have to package all this glory and send it back to Him. I might lose the fight, but the one I pray to has never lost a battle. He has never lost a battle. So let's allow those who are on stage to perform. Everyone gets a chance to perform. And let's clap and give thanks in all situations. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.
Yes guys, molweni namkelekile nonke kwakhona kwezichisa Bay Entertainment. So siyayivala ibifu kasisa Nozi and the House of Daniels, or Mrs. Mascomo or Mrs. Daniel, right? So this is the only reaction essay for Meneyo from Mrs. Nozi. Very classy. Ayikonto ayithethileyo about uMascomo uyatsho naba thou shalt not judge. She is practicing what she preaches. You understand that thou shalt not judge. Okay? And also ke uMascomo naye uyaphendula because baninzi abantu that were coming for her. Nani nizvele ke kwi-video intoba what her reaction is to those negative comments that she kept on receiving from ke either fans zikaSisinozi okanye even abantu ke abamlandelayo that also felt like, no, you were wrong for saying what you said. Although you do not mention any name, you were insinuating that nguSisinozi because kweziya comments abantu bebekubhalela zona umane uphendula. It literally proved that ubuthetha ngaye ubani uNozi. Now I also want to do uta S nota M guys. Mandisi nota speech. It ended in tears, especially for ke uta speech you guys. Uye waqhubeka ke even i-account yakhe ku Facebook it got hacked according to what he says. Akakwazi nokuloga in, and he 100% believes that the reason as to why i-account yakhe ihackiwe is because uta M akafuni athethe inyani kazi ba yeyiphi le nyani ke sana angafuni uta M ayithethe uta S. Anyways, uye waya ke kuphayana ke ku Instagram wakhe wathi there is no Mandisi without me. He needs me to be relevant, right? Something that started in a plagiarism, kesana. He goes on to say, I am his mother and he knows it. So this all started from just arguing about plagiarism and it ended in motherhood, kesana. Utike uta S, I am the carbon copy, and he was just a rebellious child. Naughty girl. He knows what drifted us apart. He will tell you lies and drag you along because you guys are gullible. Sitige abu. You're gullible and believe anything, and that's why he hacked my account. He used this just to use my name once again for relevance. I said, let's have a live, and he will never honor that invitation because he knows the truth. I challenge Langwenge to a live. He will never come. Mna dilapa. Yes, I've stooped too low. Ndisea gwini silapha ngoku. Now after ke poste lo post uye wakhola out by his fans but yo usiphoxile besingakwazi ba nawe you would be entertaining abomandisi from Facebook. Then ke uye wa release guys le video lena enza nifakela yona.
Okay. These are things I need to clarify with you. The truth does not change because it makes us uncomfortable. It does not change because it does not suit our narrative. It also does not change because it's got a hard landing. The truth remains the truth. By the way, PSA, I've been locked out of my Facebook has been hacked. So I've been hacked on my Facebook. And I know the people who are behind that. But asizwe kokuthetha inyani. Inyana izochinja. You can lock me out. I don't need a platform to speak the truth. I will have platforms, many platforms.
Guys, ndim lowo ndivuka early sana ndithi ndiyolanda ivideo ka-speech ku-TikTok nee-comments zabantu because izolo when I was about to sleep, a lot of people were really disappointed ku-speech ke sana, only for him to take le video down. Nangoku ndifumane kwi-account kaMandisi there on Facebook le video ndigqiba ukundifakela yona. So he is really sure that, like 100% certain that Ngumandisi who tried to hack his account. Abantu called him out, and that was the only time he decided to calm down. And wayobhala ke once again ku Instagram because ke ku Facebook baye bamloga out for the entire day. Uyatsho ke apha uba kuthiwe ke yesterday nini I must fix my crown. Bendingazi nokuba ndithele i-crown maqubakazana. On a serious note though, I'm back to my senses. Ndiphumile kudushe. I have bigger fish to fry and better things to focus on. Okay, that temporal insanity was justified though, but I'm back to being sensible. Anyways, what did I miss in current affairs? Uphindela kwe-current affairs. Waphinde ke wachaza into yobana namhlanje ndiziphungele ikofu zam, ndizifundela ilizwi, ndizithengisela izindlu zam. I'm back bethuna. I see all of your message. Some battles requires for us to actually go low. This is him justifying into ebeyenza ke ku Facebook. But hayi wethu ndigqibile ndiphumile kuyo, but ndingayisusa nanini na. So ningacingi ba just because I'm quiet ngeke ndiyisuse. And I know I probably disappointed most of you based on i-messages enindithumele zona izolo because you didn't know that side of me. Uxoyo kaloku my dears, umami S uphumile kudushe kulonyaka, kuthe kanti uzoqhaqhwa ndim lo 2026. Hayi, but ndiyekile. I allowed myself to go that low for a reason, but ke ndisharp ngoku. So guys, I think izophelela apho. He went on and on. Please don't worry about isidima sam, my loves. It will be intact in any day. Kaloku ndilibhaca sanondilibala, masiyikhombe empini, asijiki mram. Ngomso there will be a new celebrity gossip wethu ndizobe sendilityelwe mna, a new affair or something. Anyway, mandiye kula treadmill uyahamba ke ngoku uyojima. So yeah, iphele kanjalo ke i-beef guys. Your thoughts? Maske si-engage aneni and zonibona shortly. Bye guys.